Hello everyone. Presentation on International Money Market presented by Aparna K. MCOM Finals MPM Government First Grade College Karkada. In this presentation, we are going to study about international money market, meaning, functions, participants, types, benefits and reason for growth of money market in India. Meaning, the international money market is a market where international currency transaction between numerous central banks of countries are called on. The basic operation of the international money market include money borrowed, lent by the governments or large financial institutions. The international money market is governed by the transnational monetary transaction policies of various nations' currencies. Transnational monetary transaction policies, which means extending or operating across national boundaries of various nations' currency. The international money market major responsibilities is to handle the currencies trading between the countries. This process of trading a country's currency with another one is also known as forex trading. Unlike share markets, the international money market sees very large funds transfer. The players of the markets are not individuals, they are very big financial institutions. The international money market investments are less risky and consequently, the return obtained from the investments are less too. The best and the most popular investment method in the international money market is money market mutual funds or treasury bills. Functions and importance of money market financing trade. Money market plays an important role in financing both internal and international trade. Whereas international trades are exchange of capital, goods and services across the international borders or territories because there is a need or want of goods and services. Commercial finance is made to traders through balance of exchange where they are discounted by the bill market. So here the acceptance of house and discount market helps in financing foreign trade. Financing industries. Money market contributes to the growth of industries in two ways. Money market helps the industries in securing short-term loans to meet their working capital requirements through the systems of finance bills, commercial papers, etc. Short-term loans. It is a type of loan that is obtained to support a temporary personal or business capital. As it is a type of credit, it involves repaying the principal amount with interest by a given due date, which is usually within a year from getting the loans. Industries generally need long-term loans. Long-term loans as a loans that have a longer tenure exceeding 1 year and can go up to 30 years, which provides in the capital market. However, capital market depends upon the nature and the conditions in the money market. The short-term interest rates of the money market influence the long-term interest rates of the capital market. Profitable investment. Money market enables the commercial banks to use their excessive reserves in profitable investments. Example, short-term bills of exchange. In the money market, the excess reserves of the commercial banks are invested in near money assets which are highly liquid and can be easily converted into cash. Self-sufficiency of commercial banks. If the situation of emergency, when the commercial banks have scarcity of funds, they need not approach the central banks and borrow at a higher interest rate. On the other hand, they can meet their requirements by recalling or referring the old short-run loans from the money market. Help to central bank. Helping the central bank system is the absence of money market can develop money market in a functioning of smoother way and increase the efficiency of central bank. Money market helps the central banks in two ways. The short-term interest rates of the money market serves as an indicators of the monetary and banking condition in the country, and in this way guide the central bank to adopt an appropriate banking policy. So here short-term interest of the money market be as a indicators of the monetary and banking condition in the country. So it is guide the central bank to adopt a suitable banking policy. The sensitive and integrated money market helps the central bank to secure quick and widespread influence on the submarket and thus achieve effective implementation of its policy. Here, the delicate or sensitive and integrated money market helps the central bank can secure quick and widespread or broad influence or helps on the submarket. Therefore, it achieves effective implementation of its policy. Participants in money market. A large number of borrowers and lenders make up the money market. Some of the important players are listed below. Central government. Central government is the borrower in the money market through the issue of treasury bills, which means money market instrument issued by the government of India as a promissory note with guarantee repayment at a later date. So the treasury bills are issued through the central banks or bankers bank, which is known as Reserve Bank of India. It represents zero risk instruments. There are some conditions issued or tenure for 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Public sector undertaking. Here the money government companies have their list of shares on stock exchange, which has listed companies. So they can issue commercial papers, means it is a short-term debt instrument issued by companies to raise funds generally for a time period up to 1 year. So commercial papers in order to obtain a working capital finance. Insurance company. It comes under the both general and life insurance companies were usually made to lenders in money market. The existence of cash surplus entities, they don't borrow in the money market, but by the introduction of CBLO, collateralized borrowing and lending obligation, they have become a big investors. CBLO means it is a money market instrument designed to meet the borrowing and lending needs of banks and financial institutions. MFs and corporates have made insurance company as a big investors. Mutual funds. It offers or give various varieties of scheme for the different investment objectives to the public. There are many schemes known as money market mutual funds, scheme of liquid schemes, where this scheme is having investment objectives of investment. They ensures high liquidity, where it means the availability of liquid assets to a market or a company. Banks. Scheduled commercial banks are banks that are listed in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934, where they borrow and lends very big money market. Here the borrow and lend in call money market, short notice market, repo and reverse repo market. Corporates. They borrow by issuing or submitting commercial papers which are nothing but a short-term promissory notes or an agreement. It is given by listed companies after obtaining the necessary credit rating. They are tie up with CBLO market by lending temporary surplus when the interest rate rules is very high in the market. Types of money market instrument. Treasury bills. It is a most popular money market instruments. They have differ short-term maturities. The government of India issues at a discount for 14 to 364 days. These are issued at a discount and repaid at par. at the time of maturity. A company, firms, or person can purchase treasury bills and are issued in lots like rupees 25,000 for 14 days and 91 days, rupees 1 lakh for 364 days. Commercial bills. It is also money market instrument. It works more like the balance of exchange. Business issues them to meet their requirements on short-term money. They provide better liquidity. In the same way, they can transfer from one person to another in case of sudden cash requirement. Certificate of deposit. Negotiable term deposit is a certificate accepted by commercial banks, usually issued as promissory note. They are issued to individuals, corporations, trusts, etc. These certificates are applicable. Certificate deposits can be scheduled to commercial banks at a discount and the duration of deferred between 3 months to 1 year. In the same way, the financial institution can issue this certificate for minimum of 1 year and maximum for 3 years. Commercial papers. Commercial papers are issued to corporates to meet their short-term working capital requirements. So they are serves as an alternative to borrowing from a bank. The time of commercial paper is from 15 days to 1 year. Reserve Bank of India lays down the policies related to commercial papers. As a result, a company requires RBI prior to approve commercial papers in market. They are discounted to place value, and here the market decides the discount rates. Call money. Segment of the market where the schedule of commercial banks lend or borrow on short notice. It is for a period of 14 days in order to manage day-to-day cash flows. Interest rate of the markets are derived and hence highly sensitive to demand and supply. Sometimes the interest rates have been known to fluctuate by a large percent at a certain time. Benefits. Facilitating foreign trade. Without the support of international money market, the foreign trade and international business would be very difficult. So here this market will make possible for countries to hold on their own currencies, which permit the international transaction in smooth way of operation. Currency stability. There is a constant exchange from one currency to another. Often there are overlooked to benefit the eventual equilibrium, whereas it is a point reached where any further transformation of reactants into products would cause minimum to increase and no further net change can take place the reaction in the equilibrium of currencies. Lower rates and risk. International markets rates are normally lower than the domestic source of capital. Largely, there are many major firms and banks involved in this transaction, creates an inherent stability in the markets. Greater flexibility. Capital market of international sectors like euro currencies are under no capitalization restrictions. It means where there are no required reserves for all institutions to maintain cushion of their risk or impact of their risk. Here the deposits can lend 100% of markets where it is possible to lack of risk in the contrast to domestic institutions. Reason for growth of money market in India. The important reasons for growth of money market in India are emergency of risk of different nature in money markets on account of freeing of interest rates, removal of entry barriers and integration with the international financial markets. Stimulation of the government securities market due to decision of the government to borrow a market related rates on the lines suggested by Narasimha Committee. Narasimha Committee, it is headed by Mr. M. Narasimha, who was the 13th governor of RBI. It was appointed in August 1991 against the backdrop of the balance of payment crisis. Availability of new and more attractive instruments for investment such as short-term government papers and zero coupon bonds beside other types of non-SLR instrument. Non-statutory liquidity ratio instruments are beside giving loans to business and individuals where RBI has allowed banks to invest in various capital market instruments such as stocks and bonds issued in public and private sector companies and commercial papers. Marketization of government securities with adoption of auction system for a central government securities and treasury bills of varying maturities. Increased professionalism in the banking industry with emergence of sophisticated instruments and technology changes, especially with the advent of a greater number of private sector participants. To conclude, the main aim of the financial market is to channelize the money between parties, in which money market helps by taking surplus money from the lenders and giving them to the borrowers who need it. Millions of transactions take place around the world on a daily basis. Thank you.